My name's Evan Smith. Hi, I'm Evan Smith. Throttle bodies, 1821, 1821, 0, take one. And I just kind of revved it up a little bit, dumped it, grabbed the brake a little bit, got him smoking, then just went. Oh, it's so loud, very loud in the warehouse, yeah? The BBK cold air, BBK throttle body, BBK headers, 420 at the wheels. Wheel in the dirt. Oh, I did one of these jammies. It puts the lotion on the skin or it gets the hose again. Put the lotion on the skin. A sensor taker once tried to test me. I ate his liver along with some fava beans and a nice Chianti. If you own a 2005 to 2010 Mustang GT, be sure to check mechanical advantage of your rear end. Hi-ya! Hi! Mishimoto! Jetty like. Hi-ya! Hi, I'm Evan Smith. Today, we're gonna look at some hoses. My karate instructor, he likes a cup of tea. Hoses. BBK. This is the BBK Performance Throttle Intake. Yeah. All right. I now have Meg's shoe. What I'm gonna do with this shoe, this very shoe, this is Meg's shoe. Meg's shoe. It's a beautiful shoe. It's a beautiful shoe.
Evan won't give me my shoe.
Yeah, sure I will.
Give it!
Let's start with the iBalk drag launch kit. You know, these springs, there's something about them. They're pretty. The powder coat blue, you know, frankly, I don't even know if they work.
Wait,
What?
where are you up now? You're sitting up. Stay where are you gonna be?
I'm gonna stay like this, but I'm trying to I feel stupid. Pooh! But the powder coat blue on these is so spectacular that I would install these even if they didn't make my car faster. Dita strut bar, panhard bar installation takes 65. The monotonous hum of the diesel engine. Just because of the blue. Blue is my favorite color, you know. And frankly, like I said, I mean, you just cannot beat a spring that looks this cool. That's what I'm saying. I'm Evan Smith. After a long day of video shooting, I like to suck down some Gatorade. Gatorade Frost is my favorite flavor. It replenishes those electrolytes from standing here behind this table all day. No. Ready? Totally going off the cuff here. Hey, I'm Evan Smith with throw it on our chassis deck. I don't even need that. Screw it. All right. Meg's behind the camera making me laugh. All right. Mom, I'm shooting videos. What do you want me to get some pom-poms? Yeah. Oh, shizzle. Peace out, y'all.